Welcome to another edition of our podcast, Your Focus-Driven Day with Lyman Montgomery. Today we're going to talk about stop tripping before you fall. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyman Montgomery, your Focus Acceleration Coach and the podcaster of Your Focus-Driven Day with Lyman Montgomery. Today we want to talk about stop tripping before you fall. Focus on the now. You see, I got 3 short points for you. What do I mean when I say stop tripping? You see, sometimes we get caught up in the past. We're tripping over ourselves because we're stuck in what happened. Oh, I didn't have a good childhood. Oh, nobody cared for me. Oh, I didn't have a prom day. Listen, all of us have traumatic events that happens in our life. But the thing about the past is this. Point number 1, the past is in the past. And the reason I say stop tripping over what happened in the past is not to devalue it. It's not to say that it wasn't traumatic. It's simply to say you survived it. It's in the past. The problem with the past is, for most of us, the past is depressing. Point number 2, stop worrying about the future. Listen, remember we said the past is depressing. The future fills us with anxiety. Oh, the unknown. Oh, I don't know what's going to happen. Will I pass the test? Will my business survive? Stop tripping over things that haven't happened yet. You have no control. You don't have a crystal ball. Point number 3, focus on the now. The only period of time that you and I can control is the present now. It's what you do now that matters. The past is behind you. The future hasn't happened yet. So stop tripping over things that happened years ago. Stop tripping over things that haven't happened in the future and focus on the now. Ask yourself this question: what can I do now to be successful? If you take that approach, life will be much more stress-free and much brighter for you. Hey, I'm out of time, but never out of things to say. This is your podcaster, Lyman Montgomery, with another edition of Your Focus-Driven Day. Stay tuned. Do me a favor. Be safe and always stay focused, my friend.